got a weird type of noise when I start the car. I think it's the oil pickup tube that's trying to pick up the oil when you start it. Look, I'll let you hear it. See that noise right there? For some reason, when this car sits for more than 4 hours, this is the noise that I get. I've never had a car that does that. This is my 2010 Honda Accord. It's doing this type of noise. I have that Acura right there for a long time and never did it. So just a little bit needs your guys' help. Write on the comments below, what could this problem be? Is it normal? Is it safe to drive like this? I'm just a little bit concerned. The car only has got about 92,000 miles on the car. There should not be any issues of this matter. No oil drainage issue, no nothing, you know. Now it doesn't do because obviously the car has been ran. The oil has been picked up from the... Thank you very much. I would look forward for your comments below on the comment section below.